Hi. Today we will see how to set an image inside a text in HTML and CSS. This is the image that I'm going to set inside a text on my web page. Let's see the HTML file. This is my index.html file. This is generic HTML code, nothing to see here. In the body tag, we have an h1 tag. We have some text here. I'm going to set an image inside this text. This is the class name of this h1 tag. In the head tag, we have the style tag, which is where we write the CSS code. We access the h1 tag using its class name. Here, first, we set the text color to white. Then we set the background image. Then, we set the background size to contain, so that the image could fit inside the text. This line of code is a CSS property that allows you to apply a background image or gradient specifically to the text content of an element. And this line of code makes the inside of the text transparent so the background shows through. Now, let's run this web page in a browser. As you can see, the image that we had seen earlier is now set inside this it.wala text. The link to download this code is given in the description box under this video. So that's it. That's how we can set an image inside a text in HTML and CSS. Thanks for watching.